my name is Savannah Thomas and I am a teacher in the 3 and 4-year-old classroom at Baby Gator Child Development and Research Center here in Gainesville. And today I'm going to be giving you some tips on learning at home with your preschooler. So while older children are going to be transitioning to online learning right now, we still want to be providing young children under 5 with as many hands-on learning experiences as we can. And my best advice for parents on how to do this is really to focus on play. Play is the best way for a child to learn because they are going to be naturally engaged in it. Toys like blocks are a wonderful tool because children are practicing so many important skills while having a ton of fun. So they're practicing engineering, fine motor skills. You could even tie in some literacy by asking them to build a letter or spell their name using blocks. Or another idea for play at home would be sensory play. So this is going to be any activity where your child is engaging their senses. So one idea for that would be to create a sensory bin. So take any container you have, even like a baking dish, and then put dried pasta, beans, rice, whatever you have on hand, and then give your child a cup or a spoon to scoop and dump with and just let them experiment with it. Another sensory activity would be shaving cream. So you could put it on a tabletop, maybe outside, or you could even put it inside of a Ziploc baggie and zip it up for like a mess-free version. But ask them to draw a picture, ask them to write letters or spell their name using their finger, and they're again going to be practicing those literacy skills while also really building their fine motor skills too. Another idea for play at home would be dress up. So dramatic play is wonderful because it really is super engaging to young children, and it also again provides that literacy and that language development. So you could reenact your child's favorite story, reenact their favorite movie. Try to ask a lot of open-ended questions to get them practicing their language and their communication skills too. There's so many different ways that you can help your child learn through play, and I think it's a ton of fun for everybody. I think it's also a really great stress reliever for us, and I think we all need that a little bit right now. Thank you so much. I appreciate you listening. Hang in there. You've definitely got this and can handle it. All right. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.